Hey guys, Gavin from GFP Machines. Got a beautiful Leadermac Moulder that's coming into the showroom now. We are pretty confident that at GFP Machines, we've got more moulders on our floor in Africa to sell. Currently, we have over 10 moulders from Varnichs, Leadermacs, RWMs, SCMs. We've got the complete range, 4 heads, 5 heads, 6 heads, 8 head machines. We've got a hydro blocker Leadermac that we're going to be putting into the workshop pretty soon. It is a brilliant machine. All our machines are redone. All our machines are brilliant quality. They are a fraction of the cost of a new machine. Give us a shot. Let us help you. Let us get one of these quality machines onto your floor and help change your business. So we normally don't run these machines open at all for safety reasons and noise conditions. But today we're going to show you that the whole machine's working properly as the timber runs through the moulder. Okay, so Leroy, we're going to start the machine. As I say, we test it properly. We're going to run the timber through the machine and we're going to run a couple pieces and see the quality at the end of the day. So beautiful timber comes through the machine, planed all around. This is a fantastic machine. It was running at 12 meters a minute. Can obviously run a lot faster than that, but this is the sort of quality you can expect from a GFP machine.